Hello, Happy.
Hello.
So you just finished your VORT.
Yeah, of course.
Was it your first attempt?
Yeah, it's first ever, and it's very good, amazing.
Okay, you passed in the first attempt.
Yeah, of course.
How many lessons you took?
I only took 2 lessons. Yeah,
Yes. And how did you find the training?
yeah. Training. One of my brother told me that, and the trainer is very good, and he teach me each and everything, how to drive and how to pass the test. So, his helps me very well, and her learning is his learning is very good.
Okay. So although you were having problem with your car in turning, did he help with you with the strategy? Did he give you some solutions for that?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, tutor told me that how to U-turn. So I follow him instruction very well, and I pass the U-turn as well. And also, 3-point turn is very difficult in my car, but his instruction is very good and follow the rules. So that's why I complete the test.
Okay. So how you will give rating to car skills from out of 10?
Yeah, I will be do like 10 of 10.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And now what are your future plans with your license? More jobs?
Yeah, after getting Australian license, there is a lot of opportunity.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's a very helpful, like
Mhm.
doing taxi, also Amazon Flex, also Uber X. So lot of opportunity to get the Australian license. Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully you recommend your friends and family
Yeah,
members.
of course, of course, of course. Yeah, because the tutor is very good, and I always recommend my friends. I have a lot of friends, so they are also in pending to do the license, and so that's why.
Thank you so much. Have a
Yeah,
nice day ahead
yeah,
and
yeah.
best
Thank you
of
so
luck for
much.
your future.
Yeah.